जय हिंद बच्चों। ये कई बार आपने शायद ये महसूस किया होगा कि ग्रुप टास्क में जीडी में और जीपीई में आप जो करना चाहते थे वो अचीव नहीं हुआ फॉर वॉट एवर रीज़न, एंड देन यू एंड अप blaming the group or the maybe the GTO also, whereas the reason lies totally within your power, within your control. So these are some finer points which you have to know, and if you implement them you will excel both in the GD and in the GPE. So today evening at 6:30 on YouTube I'll be telling you some final points about the GD, and tomorrow at 10:30 in the morning I'll tell you some fine points, finer issues which you can bring in to do well in the group planning exercise and then crack